Neighbor Rex wants us to come help with a project today. We haven't actually seen the real project.
Nope, we were gone most of the time he was talking about it.
His son-in-law, we did a video earlier showing you the burned out building and when we picked that up and put it in the dumpster and everything. Well, as a part of putting their new building together, they've decided they want to move it. They want to put it a little further, I'm going to say east from the old building, and that means they have to take out another building. Rex has already got that building taken down.
He loves his little tractor.
Oh, he loves that little Kubota he's got, and the little thing's worn out, but he's still able to make use of it. But the foundation, he can't handle. He can't get it dug out, and he thinks that I'm not going to be able to get it dug out.
Oh, ye of little faith.
I view that as a challenge. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm picking up the whole wall over there.
No, it's just a board that's on the... Oh, he's picking up that door.
Yeah.
You happy, Rex? Look okay. In there.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, that's all right. You're all right. He's going to get a saw, and we're going to cut that door off. Okay. Well, you got it up again. Yeah, go ahead and swing her over there somewhere, Tim.
You see my new Dr. Hook here?
Yeah, I think that's going to be the berries for this job. Not sure. This is what we're going to do today. Well, that ain't going to work.
I got more than you wanted.
Yeah. Okay, now try it, Tim. See if what it does.
Oh.
Nope. Okay, come over here and try this one, Tim.
That's...
Well, it is what it is. Go ahead and take it. Go ahead and take it. Okay. If we have to lay another course of block, we'll lay another course of block. I'm not sure what we're going to do.
Well, the truth is you could concrete over that, right? I mean...
Yes. Go ahead and knock the rest of that off down to...
Down to the next course?
Yep, go ahead and do it.
I'm afraid I may not be able to. I may get more than that course.
Well, with that dirt up against it, I don't think you will.
I may not have the oomph sideways. You know how that is.
Yep. Grab that corner there and see if you can do anything on that corner, Tim. There you go.
Oh, that's cool. That worked.
Boy, the detail's pretty amazing with this thing. It looks like a brute force tool, but...
Oh, you just took the...
Not that many.
Yeah.
You may need some of these to try to put back in, Rex, now that I've dug them out and made a mess.
There you go.
Yeah, that broke several of them.
There you got it.
I can't see what I'm doing now.
Yeah,
you got it.
yeah, you got it. Pick it up.
Straight up. Just set it right there. That work?
Back up a little, Christy.
Perfect.
You moved it.
When we tore that old community center down several months ago, my friend Ryan had a ripper like this. He did amazing work on the foundations there.
Wow. That's a chunk.
So when this project was coming up, I immediately knew I had to have one of these rippers. The folks at Mongo Attachments are so easy to deal with, and the product, well, you'll see throughout this episode, is indestructible. Just like in the tractor world, having the right attachment can dramatically change the effectiveness of a small excavator.
Back up a little.
I'm able to dig this out without disturbing nearly as much soil as I would with my 2-foot bucket. Rex's plan here with the saw is to try to make a clean cut on the back side of this, intending to save this, the back part of this foundation. At the risk of being a spoiler, that's not going to work out very well. This was an old milk processing house. Those 2 tubs right there where Rex is sawing were used to store milk. I have no idea how long ago that would have been, but the industry would have converted to stainless steel at least 60 years ago, I would believe.
You moved it. Oh, he's gonna ram it. Oh.
I think that by digging here, I'll remove a lot of the strength of the foundation, see? I don't expect to pull it up here, but I think by breaking all that loose, getting that dirt out of there, now I think I'll be able to come back around that other side and pull again, and it won't have anything to resist.
It's pretty deep in there.
It's very well done concrete.
Yep.
Well, it should all be downhill from here. Getting that first structure broke was the hard part.
I might have been just a little bit over-optimistic there.
I need to come in from the other way, but I'm going to try it once from this way just to see what happens. Yeah.
Whoa.
Behind you.
Whoa.
Notice I'm doing double duty here, trying to grade while I'm also carrying that big block. I'd like to say I was just being super efficient, but in reality I was tipping forward the entire time.
The same guys that poured those huge footers put 3 inches of concrete inside. They knew what they were doing. They knew where they had to spend the money. Okay, let me see if I can pull that center out of it. Maybe that'll help. Watch your toes. That's good concrete there. It's only 3 inches thick, but it's strong. Hey, I'm moving it.
You're moving the whole thing. Hey, you've cracked the bricks down in there. Holy cow.
Straight with it, and then hit this in the center. That'll be the weak point. Get straight.
Yeah, but I got no crack there. I'm telling you, that's really, I know that's thin concrete, but it's really good concrete, Rex. I don't know what they did.
Can you get these blocks out of this one? And then maybe you could hit it harder.
Be a weak spot, that'd be where it was.
Yeah. Ah.
There you go. Same deal on the other side, I think.
Ooh.
That one's got a crack in it. It's ready to come.
It's
Yeah.
ready to go out.
Yeah. Dumpster's full. Don't want to put any more weight in it.
Will they come pick up today or?
Probably not. Feels like it was.
Ah.
And it was. There you go.
Reminds me of that concrete we tried to get out with our tractors several years ago.
Yeah.
If we'd had this thing then, the
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'd do the same thing on that other one and break it up like you just did this one.
yeah, but I may be able to do that without this now that I got.
There you go.
That was one well done piece of concrete.
Yeah.
Hey, all you YouTube commenters out there, did you notice how tough that was? And there's no rebar. And no fiber. Rex, I don't know what to do with this. I don't know how to bust it.
Well, this is my suggestion. The next dumpster that comes will open the gate up.
I can't lift it. I might be able to push it. I could lift one end of it to get it started in there.
We'll just do that on the next dumpster.
I might be able to break a little of this floor out.
If you can't break that off over there?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't see a crack. Do you?
Nope.
I might be able to break his floor out.
Pick that big piece up and drop it on it.
No.
Oh!
Hey!
Woo!
It did break it.
Woo!
You know, I need to be at home working on my building. I've got electrical work to do. I've got to put in a shelf for the wash bay. But working with friends is what it's all about, and I always try to prioritize that.
A lot less dirt with the ripper.
You're right, Christy. It's much easier to sort through and get just the concrete out than it is with the bucket.
Rex just said it's power to the old barn that they've already torn down. So it is not necessary, nor is it hot.
Hold on, Rex.
I wouldn't get too close.
Yeah, now that it popped, I'm...
Pick it up as much as you can and I'll cut it off right there. It's still coming. That'll work.
There we go. Well, Rex, I guess we're about done destroying stuff.
Yeah, it did a nice job, and I figured it would, but that concrete was tough. It was.
Now, I'm doing something unique here, but only because it's Rex. The dumpster's full. If you watched our last video on this project, we got in trouble for overfilling, didn't we, Rex?
He yelled at you. I wasn't standing there.
I got in trouble.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is something I don't usually do, but only for Rex. I'm going to leave this machine here and let you play with it.
Yeah.
No wonder you're
Appreciate it.
smiling.
I appreciate it. He hasn't let me play with it since he's had it.
Yeah, let me play with it.
Yeah.
I kind of like sitting in that seat,
Yeah.
Rex.
Yeah, I know you do.
You did let my dad.
Yeah, Bobby got to drive it. That new Mongo Ripper thingy,
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how we'd have done that without this.
Yeah. Yeah, you needed that attachment to make that happen. You wouldn't have done it with just, you'd have tore your bucket up.
I think so. And I mean, this gave just pinpoint accuracy. It was really, really fun. So we're not going to put the roof back on, and there's a simple reason for that, because I destroyed the entire wall there.
But it's not that big a deal. It's part of construction, and that block is crazy brittle, and you touch it.
It was amazing.
It's going to come apart.
Yeah, I don't know how they build buildings with block, because,
Yeah.
you know, we did that last one we did. We just touched it and it fell over. Yeah,
Yep.
it's amazing.
Yep. So,
Hey, hope you guys have enjoyed this, and Rex is going to enjoy the after party.
yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
Nevertheless, God's solid foundation stands firm, sealed with this inscription: "The Lord knows those who are His, and everyone who confesses the name of the Lord must turn away from wickedness."